Let's take a look at this question. It's a daily Leetcode question, medium one. It's called as number of substring containing all three characters. We are given a string S containing only of characters A, B, and C. We have to return the number of substrings containing at least one occurrence of all these characters A, B, and C. Okay, so A, B, and C are the characters we are getting. So we have to make possible combinations of these. We can repeat the characters, but at least uh, one A, one B, and one C will be coming in the substring. So constraint is 3 to 5 into 10 to the power 4, and S will consist of only A, B, C characters here.
Let's take a look at the first example here. So our S string has A, B, C characters here. Now, firstly, we start with our 0 index character. Let's mark them 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, firstly, 0 to 2 index combination we are finding. So, first we simply get ABC, then we add A here. So, A, then we add B here. A, B, C, A, and B, and lastly we put C also here. So we got A, B, C, A, B, C. Now we start with first index character, that is B. So this is the first combination we will get, BCA, 1, 2, 3 index. So we get BCA first, then we add B here, BCA and B, then we move to fifth index, BCA and BC, right? Now there is no last character here, so we'll simply stop here and move to our index 2 and 2 to index. We get CAB. Here also condition is fulfilling, so we get CAB first, and then we add C here at the end, CAB and C. Now we put our index 2. Now we start with at index 3. So we again get our 3 to 5 index here. So that we get ABC again. So this will repeat ABC and ABC. We have to write twice. Now we count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We will output as 10 here. Now we'll take a look how to oppose this with the sliding window approach here. A string was ABC and ABC. We mark our indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We make a boolean table for A, B, and C to check if all three characters are coming in the substring or not. Right. So we start with our 0th index. Firstly, we put 0 in the table, and this is the current count variable. This will store the current counting of each character, and ans will store the total number of combination that we are getting from here. So we put our left pointer here first and right pointer here. Now we start taking the characters in the substrings. Firstly, we start with ABC here. We take A first and change the count from 0 to 1, and from count 0 to 1 as well. Then for B, again this and this will be 2, and for C this will be 1, this will be 3. Okay. Now we got our first substring, and then we take a total number of possibilities for our zero index. So what we can do, total minus the index of character C. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. So for index 0, there will be 4 substrings here. So we put our 4 into our variable ans here. Then again same here. Now we put our left pointer here and right pointer to A here and perform the same operation and change these values to again 0. Okay. Now we again start the operation here. So for B we have changed from 0 to 1. For C 0 to 1, and then for A 0 to 1, and change the count as firstly 3 to 2, then 2 to 1, and 1 to 0 again. So again we reached our 0 count here, and here also for index 1 there will be 6 minus. Now our right pointer was at third index, right? So we put 3 here, so we get 3 combinations here and add our ans here. Now we put our left pointer to second index and right pointer to B here, and again same operation we will do. Now again we do the same operation for our characters here. We put C to 1, then A to A to 1, and then B to 1 here, and change the count from 1, 2, and 3 here, right? So for index 2, what we are getting, 6 minus right index is 4 at 4, so we get 2 combination here. So we get 2 here, and then we move our pointer to left here and for right pointer here. So we get index 3 here. So again we will reset our table here and then change the value 0 to 1 like this, again 0. This will give us 6 minus 5, that is 1. So we add our answer here, so total we get 10 here.
Now we start with the code part. Firstly, we will define our frequency array. Between there are 3 characters, so we'll take 3 here. And initialize count as 0 and current count as also 0, and initialize left pointer with 0 and int, and there was a string name was s, right? S dot. Then start the loop here. Int right will be 0 first, then for loop, then right will be less than r, and here right plus plus. Now character ch will be s dot add right, and frequency character minus and write this as minus a plus plus. We have to close the bracket here. Now condition for our frequency ch minus again just like before minus a is equals to 1, we'll simply increment our current count. Current count plus plus, right? Now we'll start a value. Here we will start with the current count 3. When we are getting our count as 3, so these are the condition that we will perform. Firstly, we'll increment our count with n minus, right? Count equals n minus, right, n char, take a C here, at left pointer, then we will frequency, here we'll do C minus A. C minus C minus equals 0. Then should be minus A equals 0. You have to decrement here, no? Here you are incrementing. You will decrement here, and then C C minus. Now it will be A here, and then we will pull this to 0. We will simply decrement current count minus minus this here. Left pointer will plus plus, and we'll simply return our count here. Just try to run it. We will start up an expression time number 9. Okay.